freeze experiment done by yours truly, Mason Hansey. So the overview of this experiment shows the rapid change of water and freezing and being exposed to different temperatures and also energies. Observe the ice freezing in 3 different scenarios: tapping the bottle, pouring it onto ice, and putting an ice cube into the freezing cold water in a glass. Essentially, the materials would be a water bottle, purified water, essentially, ice cubes or an ice cube, a glass, and the last one I forgot to list, a freezer, or something to freeze it in. Experiment 1. Freeze bottle in the freezer for 3 hours. I had it in there for like 2 hours and 35 minutes, and it froze pretty well. Pull the bottle out of the freezer. I punched the bottle, and I watched it freeze and the reaction occur. I'll explain a little bit later how this works, but this was the result of me, punching the bottle. So you can kind of see from, I don't have a picture before, but you could see that it's frozen and did that rapid snap freeze. Experiment 2, use ice cold water from the bottle, pour it onto the glass with the water, watch as the ice freezes up into a slush-like material. Obviously, by looking at that, you can see it kind of worked. A little bit of slush, but not enough. I am not quite sure why it didn't work. I don't know if it was the temperature of the water or the scenario in which it was put, but it only froze up a little bit up top. You can see the 2 ice cubes were there, and then the slush on top. But it should slush up more than that. Experiment 3, I just used the same picture because I forgot to take a picture of it. But place ice cube into a cup of water. Watch as the surface of the ice freezes up quick. This didn't work for me. That quick reaction and the quick surface freeze didn't work as well in this case for me. So here's the science behind the experiment. The ice freezes instantly due to thermologic influences and also energy. We see that the energy of the ice molecules is less than that of liquid. When it gets to that near frozen state, an outside force such as a tap impacts it, the crystallization